Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I will show you how we can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to get the power boot option right here. Select it and then hold power off. When you do so, as you can see, it changes to safe mode, which we will now confirm by selecting it again. Give it a moment. The device will reboot, and when it boots back up, it automatically goes into the safe mode. And as you can see, there we are. Now, in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. That's why things like, for instance, the browser is grayed out and you can't launch it, as you can see, up disabled. And on the second page, we have a bunch more applications. Now, this also includes the default apps that come with the device itself, but as though although they are technically default apps, they are not installed right with like Android. So they do get installed after you connect to Wi-Fi, and therefore they do become disabled in safe mode. And that includes a bunch of applications, even things like, for instance, clock, calculators, calendars, things that you would expect to actually work in this mode. Anyway, once you're done troubleshooting your phone and you want to go back to the normal one, pull down your notifications again, select the power button once more, and this time around just choose restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to the normal mode. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.